dolphin in the aquarium.
What did you draw in there?
Dolphin.
Oh, a dolphin. What else?
Nemo has a nose and the starfish.
A starfish. What else are you gonna draw in the aquarium?
And the clownfish.
Clownfish.
And the girl.
Oh, okay. An angelfish.
Starfish. Angelfish.
And then did you say that you had the glass of the aquarium too?
Wait, there's the next one.
Okay.
Wait, ooh, maybe then. Okay, here we go. Let's just waste it. Bye bye. Ooh, maybe. That's a good idea.
What are you gonna draw now?
Go then.
Oh, okay.